Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox invalid code. So without wasting any time, let's get started. There is three possible reasons. Number one, your internet connection. Make sure that you have a strong and stable internet connection. The second one is could be possible you are putting a wrong code. If we need to turn on the caps locks, then we have to put the code with caps lock. The third one is maybe the code is inactivated or expired. You have to check the code getting date and the expiry date as well if the code is expired. So that's why the Roblox says invalid code. We need to do one more thing. Force close the Roblox app, tap and hold the App Store, then tap on updates. Here we need to be check the list is there is any update available for Roblox. If there is, then we have to update the Roblox app before putting the code. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.